We've all been here, have we not? Have we not? Are you here right now? You got an understanding? If what was just said made no sense? You're halfway somewhere. Don't forget everyone's someone. You one? Are we all one? Or are we all the sum of one? We're someone. Every one person, owner, and similar expressions includes Her Majesty the Queen and a corporation. Shout out to those that are familiar with that. Let's start with reading. We all are pretty much thinking that no problem. Reading's pretty simple. Let's go over the basics. Someone writes something down, uses individual symbols, combines to make a symbol, uses the letters to make a word, and those words, those symbols, in certain pattern, a certain vehicle, a certain way to convey them, pattern. This pattern and these symbols may be put there or are probably put there for one to look at the symbols and be aware of something, seemingly. The appearance of a symbol to convey a message being the conveyance of what one is expressing. Now, or then, we all may or may not, provided one looks at some sort of pen, pencil, put to paper, ink on paper, the mind and the eyes, they all searching and they're all gathering. Then they're like a light bulb goes off or comes on, and we confident enough to reconvey some conversion of what was symbolized there. So let's go through this a little bit quicker. One puts symbols onto the paper for another to look at the symbols and be aware of something that they weren't aware of before, or one conveyed something to another, and it made it there as it was intended. The intent. What's currently going on is we don't read it, it seems, or I shouldn't say that we don't, or I shouldn't say that I shouldn't, but the reading is one thing and the interpretation is another. If you literally read the literature, you literally receive the meaning. If you read it, you receive the meaning. If you interpret it, you provide a meaning or you put meaning to it. There is an abstract additive that the reader introduces onward. So think about it next time when there's a judge or there's anybody in the room there. They've all openly declared that they're operating on interpretation, uh, openly declaring that they either cannot read or did not read or currently not operating on reading. So, what better thing to try out, which is literally reading it? Then the actual message should appear. We'll get into that when we get back.